pro level PC tweaks is what I'm showing you in this video. If you watch till the end, you're going to have so much lower latency and you're going to have max FPS. Let's get straight into it. Now, the first couple tweaks, yes, it will be very simple, but very, very effective. We'll go through it super quickly as well. So head over to the search bar, literally just search settings, just like so. Once we're on the home screen of settings, what we want to do, go on browse more backgrounds. You might be thinking, JINSHI, what on earth are we doing? Trust me, go on to colors right here. Once we're on colors, transparency effects, windows and surfaces appear translucent. That is so bad for your PC because it puts so much strain, obviously, onto your apps, making it translucent. You do not want this on. Make sure to turn it off, literally just like so. Once we do this, by the way, we can minimize this. And now what we want to do, head over to the search bar. This time, search edit power plan. Yes, okay, you might have your own power plan. It's completely fine. Don't worry, we're not going to be touching that. Go on to power options. The first thing that we want to do, obviously, click your power plan. Does not matter though which one you put. I have ultimate performance on. Go on change plan settings, change advanced power settings. Once we're on here, what you want to go, desktop background settings, click the plus, slideshow, click the plus setting, make sure this is available. Once we do this, by the way, scroll down the tiniest bit until we see sleep. Press the plus and then allow wake timers, make sure that is enabled, and sleep after, make sure this is never. Even for 0.5 seconds, your PC may actually put itself to sleep. Obviously, this will cause packet loss and high frame stutters because of this setting right here. So make sure that's on never. Press on apply, press on OK. We can close this. The second thing that we want to do is go on advanced system settings, literally just like so. View advanced system settings. And again, go on to advanced right here, performance, visual effects, go on to settings. Once we're on here, again, super simple, yes, so effective. These are pro settings, by the way. What you want to tick is untick every single one apart from these. Show thumbnails instead of icons, show translucent selection rectangle, show windowed contents while dragging, smooth edges on screen fonts. Literally those four, just like so, simple as that. Press apply, press OK. And now, like I said, this is a pro PC tweaking video. We will be using a PC tweaking tool for this video. For it, we'll be using Risxn Extreme Optimization. I'll literally show it to you right here. Yes, by the way, this is extremely powerful and only meant for very serious gamers. Extreme Optimization Assistant. As we can see, there's Windows optimization, network, debloat, GPU optimization, extra optimization. And of course, I'll leave this down in the link below. As we can see right here, the one that I recommend for you guys watching this video is Extreme Tweaks. And by the way, make sure you don't check out with $30 because what you can do, go over to the discount code, literally use code JINSHI just like so, and you save yourself some money. So obviously make sure you're doing that if you want to save some money. Again, this is for very professional gamers if you want the maximum frames possible. Now for our next setting, what we're going to be doing, head over to the search bar. This time we're going to search system configuration, literally just like so. Once we're on system configuration, by the way, the boot options, you want selective startup, load system services, and load startup items. Make sure those two are ticked. Press on apply, press on OK. Go on to boot. The timeout you have to literally pick specific to your PC. If you have a NASA PC, pick between 0 and 1 seconds. If you have like an average PC, pick between 2 seconds and 3 seconds. If you have a low-end PC, pick between 4 seconds or 5 seconds. And of course, if you're unsure, comment down below your CPU and your GPU. I'll get back to you saying what timeout you should use. I have an average PC, so of course, I'm going to be using 3 seconds as my timeout. Go on to advanced options whilst here, by the way. Make sure your number of processors is on the maximum amount. Of course, you want all of your processors to be working when you're playing any PC game whatsoever. Why is this? It's literally in the name. Why would you want to play with, for example, 6 processors instead of 16? Obviously, your PC is going to be slower on 6 processors. Now we have 16 enabled. Press apply, press on OK, press on OK again. One more thing that we need to do, right click on the bottom, go on to task manager, literally just like so. Once we're on task manager, go on to services, then open services. Once we're here, scroll down until we see the S column, and of course what we're looking for is sysmain. Where it is literally right here. Sysmain disabled. Make sure you do not have this enabled on your PC. It's bottlenecking all of your components. Obviously not good for your PC. Literally right click onto it, go onto properties, startup type, make sure disabled, literally just like so. Server status as well, make sure it's stopped. Press apply, press on OK. Now for these tweaks to work, make sure you restart your PC and of course load into any game you want. You will have 0 delay. It's literally that good.